I'm really looking forward to this prank, Shockwave. You got the mixtape?
Yes, I managed to get one song that neither of them like. Hold up now, it's not enough. I don't know who to find away. I'm literally a break dummy. Oh my god, it actually worked.
I told you, it works wonders. So, it was you two who did that. Lightning strike, shockwave flash, you two are indeed shit.
Oh god, no.
I'm disgusted with you two's behavior. Angel Tidal Wave and Fluttershy were perfectly fine snuggling together, until you two sots decided to shit them up. In fact, I'll see you two in court, and I'm gonna be their motherfucking solicitor.